Hello, today in the lesson we will solve examples where we will give like terms. But in the examples, the terms are written in parentheses. Let's write down these examples. First example. There are 3 a's in parentheses. Plus b, the parenthesis closes, minus the parenthesis opens, minus 4 b's. In order to convert this algebraic expression, we need to open the parentheses. In order to open the parentheses, we need to remember the following rule. It's a rule we've been using when we were solving the examples. If there is a minus sign, there is a minus sign in front of a parenthesis. Then in the parenthesis, the sign is reversed. Then you get a minus. If there's a plus sign in front of the parenthesis, then inside the bracket the sign does not change, so the result is minus. If again we have a minus sign in front of the parenthesis and the sign inside the parenthesis is also minus, then inside the parenthesis the sign changes to the opposite sign, then we get a plus. And if there is a plus sign in front of the parentheses, and in the parentheses is the sum, the result is a plus sign. By applying these rules, we can open parentheses. Why do we do this? The point is that if we work with the sum of the summons in the parenthesis, we can't add b to 3a's. And when we open the parentheses, we can add a similar summand. Equals, but there's no sign in front of the first parenthesis. But if there is no sign written in front of the parenthesis, it is a plus sign. If a plus sign is written in front of the parenthesis, then when you open the parenthesis, the sign doesn't change. So then I'll write 3a's plus b's. But the second parenthesis has a minus sign in front of it. It tells me that I have to change the sign in the parenthesis, but the number a has a plus sign, so I write minus a. But the 4 b's have a minus sign. I change it and the result is 4 b's. So if there's a plus sign in front of a parenthesis, we don't have to write the parenthesis. We can rewrite the whole thing with the same signs. If there is a minus sign in front of the parenthesis, we remove the parenthesis and rewrite all the terms with the opposite sign. A question may arise. The number a has a positive sign. No, but there is a minus sign in front of the parenthesis, so the positive sign changes to a negative sign. The result is minus a plus 4 b's. And only then can I find similar summands. Let's label the like terms. 3a's minus a. Let's write it down. 3a minus a. Plus b and plus 4 b's. Let's write it down. Plus b plus 4 b's. And now we can do the math. Equals 3a minus a. That's 2a's. ab plus 4 b's. That would be 5 b's. Why 5 b's? b is without a quotient. But if the quotient is not written down, it's 1. 1 plus 4 is 5 b's. We're saying 5 b's. Hence, we put a plus sign. 2a's plus 5 b's is our answer. Another example. 3a's plus b minus, and in parentheses, minus a minus 4 b's. Let's write down plus 4 b's. In order to simplify this expression, we will apply the same rule. There's no sign in front of the first parenthesis. There's no sign, so it's a plus sign. We're going to write down this expression. without changing the signs. 3a's plus b. But the second parenthesis is preceded by a minus sign. That tells us that we can leave out the parentheses, but we can write all the summations with the opposite sign. Minus a, I write plus a. Plus 4b's minus 4b's. Only then can I find a similar summand. 3a's and plus a. Let's write it down. 3a's plus a. Plus b minus 4b's. Plus b minus 4b's. And write down the answer. 3a's plus an a. Remember, I have to 3a's plus 1a. And that makes 4a's. Plus 1b, 1b. Minus 4b's. 1 minus 4 is minus 3. I write down minus 3b's, and then I've got the correct expression with the correct signs. Next lesson we will solve some more examples and simplify the expression. And today our lesson has come to an end. Goodbye. See you again.